Namaste, friends. When we have clarity about our life's goal, we will work towards this goal by not hankering after small enjoyments which sense pleasure gives us. We will walk towards our ultimate goal with determination, strength, and do our best to reach that state of oneness, which is our ultimate home, that true bliss that we are born for. But having a clarity of this goal is extremely essential. Those who lack this clarity will only invest on what is short lived, which is of instant gratification from senses. They do not see a point in sacrificing what is giving them instantaneous pleasure and drop out on their tapas to reach that ultimate goal. Will that serve any purpose? No, absolutely not. We have to awaken ourselves. We have to get that clarity of why we are born, what is the purpose of our life. Only then the path becomes clear. Even if we wander in the lanes of senses for a moment, our soul reminds us, go back home. And we have no other choice but to go there. So let us be consistent in our practice, in cleaning the aberration above this goal of the soul of our body. Let us clean these layers of dust which has settled because of our ego and our attachment to sense pleasure. Only then the sound of the soul will be loud and clear, and that will enthuse us to leave what is unnecessary and to embrace